Thokozani Zinhlanhla Thokozani Zalukazi Thokozani bantu abahloniphekile. Ngisakhuluma noMamlambo Sompisi Somnandi ugawule esiswini uluthaba umhlonishwa. Guys, ngicela ukuthi sibashayeleni izandla abasentabeni njengamanje kulamakhaza kulobusika kulokubanda. Yes. Imbongi ze-Afrika hayi nje maziphume nje zibonge kakhulu obhuti bethu basentabeni, okay. Nale long weekend-ke guys, emavikini adlulile siyazi ukuthi iqede imali and imali eSouth Africa iqedwa yini na? Masithatha ukubheka, angikho ku-political party guys, angivoti, akekho umuntu engikhe ngamvotela, i-barcode yami noma i-ID yami i-clean, but akhe sihlaleni phansi siyidingide le ndaba ukuthi imali iqedwa yini eMzansi kuze kubhadalwe i-tax nje, imali iqedwa yini eMzansi. Has ama-sex workers abantu bakhona banamalungelo? Bengicela ukuthi u-government isicelo sama-sex workers asizwe ngoba nathi besihamba ama-meetings for isisonke ukuthi just u-government approve nabo. Angeke ngiphelele ehosheni, angeke ngisebenze ehosheni forever, but njengezwi izwi umlomo womzansi isiqu se-Africa, ubuntu bami ngiyayiqhenya ngabo, but nami ngine-voice, I've got my own rights noma ngingavoti. Kodwa bengithi-ke u-government-ke ngoba sihambile phela ama-meetings wesisonke, but kunalokho abomahosha imali yabo ayikhuphuki, ihleze ku-R50 kunokuthi ikhuphuke iyayehla kuba ama-30 ama-40. How come? Mele siyikhulume naleyo, and imali iqedwa utshwala eSouth Africa, iqedwa futhi ama-sex workers. Kuyithi abantu siqedayo, but thina sibukeka njengabantu abangcolile, kodwa yithi esiqeda ama-crimes, yithi esiqeda udlame ukuthi abantu bangagcini sebedlwengula iy'ngane ey'ncane ey'ngenacala. Kodwa u-government akakuboni lokho, usibona njengezeqamgwaqo, which is abantu abangcolisa izwe as ama-sex workers. But nathi sifuna amalungelo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibhadale ama-tax. Yes, ngizolingcolisa igama lami ngizenze lowo muntu loyo, kodwa vele ngiwuye ngoba ngisebenza emgwaqeni, but into engiyishoyo ukuthi angeke ngize ngiphelele emgwaqeni. I've got my own, nami nginey'ndlela zami zokuphila emhlabeni, and ngiyazazi ukuthi who I am, and I know where I'm going, and I know what I want in my life. Yabona, if you know that who you are and where you're going in your life, that's whereby you're going to understand who you are and what do you want in your future. So cela nje ukuyikhatha khona lana i-long weekend-ke abantu bahlelile uhlelo lwabo lolu abalihlelayo ukuthi hhayi thina siye emakhaya, abanye babeka ngendlela yabo-ke ngoba sonke sinama-plans angafani. So imali ihambe nabantu be-long weekend emavikini adlulile, and utshwala nabo yibo futhi yabona umnikazi lo wavula i-brewery, ngicela ukuthi nimshayele izandla day and night ngoba yila bantu eniyibo namhlanje ngesimanga se-brewery ukuthi siyaphuza, vele sinama-rights. Once nje wathi 18 years you deserve ukuthi ushaye i-alcohol ube free, ngeke ungitshele lutho ngomzali wakho. So